Store-bought naan has 19 ingredients, some I can't even pronounce, and yet it still tastes like cardboard. So let's make it fresh today. It'll be fast and flavorful, ready in just 30 minutes. So how is this 30-minute naan possible? The key is we're skipping the yeast entirely. Instead, we're using a simple combination of baking powder and baking soda. This powerful duo reacts with the yogurt in our dough to create those beautiful bubbles and that classic fluffy texture, all without the long proofing time. In a large bowl, we'll whisk together our dry ingredients and make a well. Now let's add in our wet ingredients, yogurt and whole milk. I'm adding the milk little by little to make sure I don't over-moisturize my dough. Mix everything together until a shaggy dough forms. And now it's time to knead. You only need to knead this for about 4 to 5 minutes, just until it's smooth. Most videos I've seen call for 10 minutes of kneading, but I find 4 to 5 minutes to be enough. Five minutes of kneading sounds quick, but when it comes to kneading, it feels like a long time. The oil prevents the dough from drying out. Now cover it and rest it for 15 to 20 minutes. You'll know it's ready when you make an indent and it stays there instead of bouncing back. Divide it into 4 and shape the dough into smooth, round dough balls. You want the surface of the dough to be completely smooth so that when you roll it out, you don't get any cracks. I find this squeeze and twist technique the most effective in achieving that. Let's talk about the garlic now. Today, I'm going to show you 2 levels. First, it's the classic and quick version. A classic naan is teardrop shaped, so that's what we're going for here. See how the dough is not shrinking back? That's because we let it rest properly. For this version, we're going to press finely chopped garlic and cilantro right into the surface of the dough before we cook it. You can omit the cilantro if you're not a fan, but I love the vibrant flecks of green. The holes prevent the naan from fully puffing up while cooking. Here's the key to getting the cook right. Pat the naan with some water onto the back so it sticks to the pan. Watch for the bubbles. This is our baking powder and baking soda doing their work. Now flip it over and char the other side. You're looking for those gorgeous dark charred spots that are characteristic of naan. After it comes off the heat, we'll brush it with some simple plain butter. It's fast, classic, and so good. Now, if you're an extreme garlic lover like me and have some more time on hand, we're going to use roasted garlic butter. Take a whole head of garlic and wrap it in foil and roast it for about 45 minutes. The garlic becomes soft, sweet, and caramelized. To make the butter, I just mixed in some soft unsalted butter, some salt, and the roasted garlic together. This will keep in your fridge for about 2 to 3 weeks. For this version, we're going to use this garlic butter to brush the naan after we've cooked it. What else would you put this butter on? Let me know in the comments. Cook this naan the same way like we did for the other one. About 30 seconds on one side, and then we flip. Now we're going to brush it with this incredible butter that we made from the sweet, nutty roasted garlic. The flavor is deeper, richer, and you get that intense aroma in every single bite without the sharpness of raw garlic. I wish you could smell the aroma in my kitchen. And that's the difference. Look at how soft and pillowy this naan is while still having the char on the outside. That is not cardboard. So there you have it, homemade garlic naan 2 ways. What if this rewarding feeling isn't a one-off thing? What if you had the support and a clear roadmap to feel confident and at ease with every Indian dish you cooked? That's exactly why I created my private cooking community. Together we explore new techniques, new traditions, and I'm personally there to guide you along the way. All the details are in the description.